What a long face, eh? What's the problem, man? What's the issue? Issue? I came to America to look for physical care, but me no fight. I don't know, man. I wear my ears so pretty, cut my hair like a romantico, and I dress so fine, but I go to the place and say, hey, Betty, come here. She's going the other way. That's crazy, baby.